guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy players in eFootball mobile so you can strengthen your team. Now let's get started with the video. First, open your eFootball on your device, and once you log into your account, you will see this kind of interface. When you are in this kind of interface, simply click on the contract option on your main screen, and there you can choose from special player list, pack or standard players. You can choose any of these and buy players through points or GPs. Choose a player you want to buy. You will see the cost in GPs or coins. Usually standard players cost GPs and special players cost coins to purchase. Make sure you have enough before proceeding. Tap sign player or buy and confirm the transaction right here. The player will be now added to your squad immediately, and you can play using the player. You can also use selection contract or featured players in special events, which allows you to pick specific star players without spending any coins or GPs. So you might want to look out for those kind of events in the eFootball mobile app. And that's how you can buy players in eFootball mobile, build your dream team and dominate matches. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment which player you are planning to sign next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.